talk about is air. I got air pressure, I got energy, I got sound. But you guys have heard of energy before. Some things have energy, like right now, I can talk to you and I can walk and breathe because I have some food inside of me. And that food came from the sun. Yeah, I know. You have to think like a scientist. If you think like a scientist, you can see that all the food you ever have eaten comes from plants or animals that get their energy from the sun. So, here's my first thing we're going to try. This balloon has no energy. None. But I'm going to give it some energy. Because I had my breakfast and inside my belly, I have some chemical energy from McDonald's. Here we go. Now, this is called potential energy. Say, whisper potential energy. Because now it has energy. On the count of 3, I'm going to let go, and it changes to something called kinetic energy. So on the count of 3, say kinetic energy. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow. Thank you. And that was a good example of no energy, potential energy, kinetic energy. Now, this is going to be a new word for you. Some things change. When I tear this paper, that's called a physical change. Remember that, physical. If you break something or bend something or tear it, say physical. If I wad it up, physical. That's a physical change. Because it's still paper. But if I take a, oh yeah. That is a chemical change. Check this out, watch. If I take that same paper and I light it, was that a physical change or a chemical change? That's a chemical change. It's not paper anymore. Okay. So that was a change, and another kind of change, this one is like, these cannonballs are very heavy. And when I bring them together, you're going to hear sound energy. Listen to this. Now, but what you didn't see, there was another type of energy. You won't believe it, but right there when I did that, it was super, super hot for just a second. Watch. But I tell you what, you can't see it unless we try this. Here, come here, friend. Come here, please. Yes, hold this paper up. Hold it like that. Now, watch what happens. Would you smell that?
Yeah.
Smell it. What does it smell like?
Yeah. It smells like smoke.
Smoke. Just by hitting these together, that energy is changed to... that is physical change or chemical?
I can actually smell it.
Chemical. Are you ready? Here. Thank you. It's right here. Okay, we're going to add something to this. We're going to add aluminum foil. Now, if I crumble it, that's physical. If I tear it, it's physical. But if I make it explode, that's chemical. Are you ready for that? Here, let's try it. Here we go. Put these on. Come over here. Here we go. Ready? Let me, quiet on the set. Use your eyes to observe and see what happens. You're very brave. Don't pass out. Here we go. Ready? What'd you see? Let's do it again. Ready? Whoa. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you very much. Let me have those glasses, please. Have a seat. Thank you.